So I have created a AI chatbot of Varun Mayya which answers career-related questions from his latest one video. So yeah, let's get it. Hey Varun, I'm Varun Mayya, your career guide. Ask me any questions related to evolving landscape of content creation, more competitive, ample opportunities, remains high. And what about full stack development? Won't AI take software jobs? Yes, AI training models with existing AI tools and APIs. Okay, which has higher demand. AI engineers or Gen engineers. Training models and building solutions for real problems which aligns them to current commercial success. So yeah, this was it. Chatbot created with the help of just one video and two tools, BotPress and Stack AI. So we'll go through it just now. So here is the board, and for the input which the user will type, I have drag and drop this from here. So I have transcribed that video and uploaded the file here. And with the help of dynamic vector stores, I have used this basic one, which basically stores the memory from input and documents, gives them to the OpenAI and output models. You can read the instructions here, like your Varun Maya YouTuber podcaster. I have linked this down in the description. And for the prompt, I have again reassured that you are Varun Maya YouTuber podcaster, etc. For the context, I have given this vector basic model which has the data of both documents and input, and after that question answer general basic. This output is basically for the context generation, like for example, anything a user searches, the AI will get related context to it from the transcription and show the context here, and the formatted text will be here. So we will run an example here. What's the first career options in 2024? Give me names. Run. Context is generated. We got our output. Some of the worst career options in 2024 freshers maybe full stack developer, content writer, and roles with oversaturated job. Good enough. Good enough. Now this is the backend. You have to connect it with the front end, which for that we will use BotPress. This is the workflow. Now I have captured the raw input with the statement this. I will store that input in the variable. Now API will be used from the stack.ai. So this is the code. I will give it a link in the description. So basically you can send a question to Stack AI and extract the AI generated response. And that response we will store in workflow.question, that same variable, for the loop to be created for the user to ask unlimited questions. I have created this, like again without asking any question to the user, we will collect the raw input from it, and that raw input will be again gone through the same code, and that response will be given through this same workflow.option variable, and a loop is created which will help the user to ask unlimited questions. Now if you don't want to make unlimited questions, you can simply create a variable, like for example you can choose here the logic expression, and you can just write the context here. If the number of messages sent should be more than 50, logic will be created, condition will be created. After that you can let the user to buy my subscription, for example $10 for 50 messages, and for that we will give our PayPal link, verify it with the help of APIs, and after that we can let the user talk to a AI persona chatbot. Now you can also feed all of these videos, transcript them, and feed this into one document or different other documents and compile them. Get this chatbot to feed all of the data, and you can get answers for your questions related to all of the things, like what is IPO, how much capital should you raise, startup versus stable job, should you bootstrap, bankruptcy, everything, each and everything you can get your questions answered within seconds. So I think it's a great productivity hack where you are not figuring things out, just getting your questions answered in a second. A good way of monetizing your audience with the help of just your videos and increasing your leverage. So yeah, I think it's a good passive earning model for creators online who want to create personal chatbots and sell them to the audiences. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.